Okay, this video is mostly supposed to be for my Facebook people because they are the one that is always asking me, Sonia, how much can YouTube pay you for 1,000 views? We actually want to know. I've done countless videos about how much YouTube pay me for 1,000 views on YouTube. And the good part of every single type of videos you bring on how much YouTube pays is you get to see different payments, you get to see different algorithm, you get to see different audience, you get to see how the algorithm is being recommended. Like, each and every one of them come with different spices, and that is why I will not stop doing how much YouTube pay me video. And I keep saying this, I'm not doing this because I am bragging. I'm doing this so that I will tell you that it actually pays, and you can also make money as someone, as a mother, as a father, as anybody at all. You can make money. Now, one thing you need to know before I'll go into starting up my screen record is, if YouTube pay me this amount for 1,000 views, it doesn't mean it will not pay you higher or lesser. I've gotten videos that I've made more than this for 1,000 views, and at the end of this video anyways, I'll just go ahead and explain to you guys so that you guys can literally do understand. So depending on where you're watching from, let me know if you're monetized or not, right? So right now I'll go ahead, my screen record is all started, and we're going to be talking about this particular video that has gotten 1,000 views, as you guys can see. And this one was how much YouTube pay for my short review channels and so on and so forth, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on it so that we can get into the details of it. So you can see that this video has gotten 1,064 view, approximately 1,000 view, and you can see how viewers found this video, YouTube recommendation, channel page, notification, subscription feed, and others. And yeah, let's go to the reach of this particular video. For the reach of this particular video, this video is it has 11.9k impression. Okay, it simply means everybody that YouTube has actually showcased this video to their face, 11.9k, and 1k choose to watch. Thank you so much. And you can see how viewers found this video: browse features, channel page, notification, YouTube, other YouTube features, and others. And let's go to the engagement of this particular video. So if you click on the engagement of this particular video, you can see that this video have an engagement of 52.1 watch time, and you can see audience retention of 2 minutes 56 seconds, and of which is not bad for a video of 80 minutes. I think the video is 80 minutes, right? And let's go to the audience of this particular video, and which is most important key things that you should always consider which is most important key that YouTube consider to know if your revenue is going to be higher or is going to be lesser, right? Now we have 852 unique viewers. I'm grateful for that. Audience, new casual, you can see the percentage here, and you can see the regular viewers, 59.8%. That means regular viewers will watch more, and that's one good thing. I'm always grateful for my videos that my subscribers are watching, right? And these are videos that is actually suggesting the videos. All of these videos from beginning to the end are my videos, and I'm so grateful for that. And you can see the device type: computer, mobile, TV, tablet. And now you can see the age categories that are actually watching this particular video: 18 to 24, 25 to 54, 35 to 44. Those are just 3 age categories that are watching this particular video, people that really want to make money on YouTube. You can see the gender, male and female. I keep encouraging and advising every single person that it is important that you bring content here that all genders will actually watch. It will help you go a long way. Now you can see the top geographical locations that are watching this particular video, and which plays a very important key role to if you're going to be making more money on YouTube or you're going to be making less money on YouTube. You can see that for this particular video, it is Nigeria, because it changes on different of how much my YouTube payment video that you guys have actually been seeing. Sometimes United States is the highest, sometimes United Kingdom, just depending. But you can see that Nigerian, I have 52.4%, and of which Nigerian RPM and CPM is not so much, compared to when you have people like United States, United Kingdom, Canada, Australia watching your videos. You're going to be making more money because your RPM and CPM is so high, right? So I have Nigerian 52%. If Nigeria has taken over 52%, how many percent is remaining? But to my Nigerian countries, my Nigerian people always watching me, I really appreciate you guys. You guys are the best. It is not easy to support your own. Keep supporting me. I love it like that. And we have United States, just 4%, 4.3%. We have United Kingdom, 3.5%. We have Ghana, my lovely ones, 1.7%. And then we have Kenya for 1.4%. I don't want to go into other in 365 days, so let's just leave it here like this so that we can go to the revenue and see how much. Okay, so now if I open the revenue, as you guys can see, a video of 1k, just 1k view has made $2.72. $2.75. That is what this particular video has actually made. And you can see watch paid ads, YouTube Premium, and you can see videos performance. You can see that for every 1K view, I get to make $2.61. So just imagine that this video have like up to like 10K view, 20K view, 30K view, or even 100K view. You will know that I will make more money, as you guys can see. Now you can see that how much advertisers are paying. Advertisers are paying $3.71. That's why I said these are the key important things that you should always look out for whenever you want to see any channel revealing how much YouTube pay, the RPM and the CPM. You can see the RPM of my video, which is how much YouTube is going to pay me after how much advertisers pay, is just $2.61. Why advertisers pay $3.71? So after YouTube do their calculation back and forth, they're now going to give me $2.61, and of which is not bad, okay? And this is earning by skippable, display bomber, non-skippable, and you can see all of the places where my ads actually came from. This video did not get super chats. This video did not get super thanks. I think super thanks, not super chat. Super chat is when you are on live stream, and that is how much YouTube actually paid for 1K view. So let me end this first. Like I said, you can get more, you can get less, depending on the country watching. There are different factors that shows you how much you can get. There are some of my videos here still on this same channel. I get up to $8 to $10 per 1,000 view. There are some I get up to $6 per 1,000 view. There are some I get up to $5 per 1,000 view. There are some I even get up to $13 to $12 per 1,000 view. Just depending on what the country is watching, how much advertisers are willing to pay. I think another factor that really contributes to this again is the length of your video and the kind of video. The first one is the kind of video you are bringing in. I can tell you for a whole fact that there are some people that will actually get 1,000 views on their channel. They will not even get up to $1. I have my channel, which is my lifestyle channel. There is a particular video I don't get even up to, I think I'm getting like 0.60 something cents or 0.50 something cents on my lifestyle channel, right? So I'm not saying lifestyle channel are not doing well, do not get me wrong. They are doing well on their own end. So if more people are watching them, more advertisers are watching them, they'll be able to, more advertisers are willing to pay, they'll be able to even make more than me that is even doing tutorial, right? Bringing me back to any single thing you want to actually put out on YouTube, on your channel, on Facebook, make sure those things are things that has value. Make sure those things are things that can actually impart someone so that the algorithm can actually pick and help you push out your videos back to back. So this is how much YouTube actually paid me for 1,000 views, and I hope this is able to answer a lot of people in my Facebook page that actually want to get answers. Let me know in the comment section which particular type of views do you want me to actually review for you. I have videos of 100K, I have videos of 50K, I have videos of 700 and something thousand K view, I have videos of 12,000, 14,000. Like, I have different range of videos that if you ask that, Sonia, I want to know how much it would pay for 100,000 views, I am definitely going to be doing that video for you guys. I do not have anything to hide from you. I believe that we are one. I want every single person to start getting, even if it's the T-pence on YouTube, and that is why I'm actually doing this particular review. Anyways, if you're monetized on Facebook, let me on YouTube, let me know how much yours actually paid you for 1,000 views. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I say in my videos, I'm going to be saying, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Do not touch the die. Come back for more, and I love you guys. Mwah.